a symbol of the struggle for the Chechen state. Джохара Дудаева. It has been 28 years since Джохара Дудаева, an iconic figure in the struggle to defend independent Chechnya, was assassinated. 1944, Джохара is born into a Chechen family when Chechens were exiled to Central Asia and Siberia on the orders of mass murderer Joseph Stalin. During his childhood years, he lived in exile in Siberia. 1957, he returns to the Chechen capital Grozny with his family. He completes his education at Tambov Military Pilot College. 1962, he begins serving in the USSR Armed Forces. 1974, he graduates from the Gagarin Air Force Academy with distinction. 1990, he leaves the army as he opposed an order to suppress rebellions in Estonia by force. Moving to Grozny, Dudayev joins the Chechen independence struggle. He is elected chair of the Executive Committee of the People's Assembly at the Chechen National Congress. 1991, the Second Chechen National Congress decides to declare the independent Chechen Republic. Джохара Дудаева, who supported the nationwide protest against the Soviet-linked administration in Chechnya, is being nominated as a candidate for the presidential election. 1991, according to the results of the general vote held on October 27, Джохара was elected president of the independent Chechen state. 1994, Boris Yeltsin, who lost the referendum, who was removed from office, who shot parliament with tanks and who forcibly usurped power in Russia, sent Russian troops to the independent Chechen state. Chechens put up a successful resistance to the Russians. 1996, on April 21, the Russians killed the president of the Chechen Republic of Ichkeria Джохара Дудаева with a missile strike during negotiations with him.